Alright guys, so I wanted to do a video at night with some bright lights. This is a PC I just built today for a friend, and just kind of wanted to show off what the camera can do at night with some RGB. So yeah, this is a thermal take case, and it's some G skills, 16 gigabyte, 2 sticks of 8 gigas. It's a Ryzen 3600, an Aorus B450 Pro Wi-Fi, GTX 1660S with an EVGA 750BQ, I think is what it's called, something like that. What else? I think that's it. That's all I can think of, but as you can see, it looks pretty sweet. Very, very good cable management. Good case, lots of breathing. Still got the plastic on the inside. Same thing, still got plastic here in the front. But yeah, just wanted to share this video with you guys so you guys can see what the Surface Duo camera looks like. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like my video, leave some comments. Thanks.